Hi guys, welcome to App Guru. In this video, I will show you how to change order of products in Shopify. First, open your browser and then go to myshopify.com. From here, click on Orders on the left. Now, click on Products on the left. From here, if you go to Collections, you will get to see all your products right here. To show you guys, I'll create a collection. So I'll click on Collection on the top right. From here, I'll put in a title. After that, I'll select Manual as collection type. Then click on Save on the top right. Now, as you can see, my product has been created. And now it has been added to my collections. Now, to change the order, click on Sort as shown here. After that, you can choose oldest first or newest first. You can also sort by collection title or the date of upload. Now, I'll go to Products and then add another product just to show you guys. I'll click on Add Product on the top right. From here, I'll put in a title. After that, I'll scroll down and select a pricing. Then I can put a cost per item. After that, I'll scroll down and put an SKU for the item. Note that this is just an example. You can set it up as you want. And once it's done, I'll click on Save on the top right. After that, I'll just go back and go to Products. From here, as you can see, my products are added. Now, I'll click on Sort on the right and then you will have multiple options to choose from. You can choose Created as in when it was created and then Updated as in the latest update. From here, you can choose from latest or oldest first. And that's it. Thanks for watching and please leave a like, subscribe and share.